Namaskaram. Andariki Ugadi Subhakankshalu. So for today's video, I'm going to talk about Ugadi festival. So today is Ugadi festival and it is celebrated mostly by Telugu people, which is in the state of Andhra Pradesh in India. So this is also known one of the New Year for Telugu people, and this festival for Ugadi, it is said Brahma created this world on this day for Ugadi and also for the Telugu people. For the Tamil people, it's different. So for each state, it may be different, but only for like a week or few days differences. But for Tamil people, today is Ugadi according to them, and it is Lord Brahma who created this era, and also Ugadi. Ugadi also can be said as Yugadi. Yuk means era, which is generation after generation, and also this is also represents one of the very auspicious day to start new routine on this day and something that you want to learn new things on this day. Dhanyavadalu.